So today I'm going to quickly show you how to withdraw your money from the Stash investing app. So we're going to load up the app here in real time so you can follow along. So right over here, we're going to be on the home page of Stash. And right now what I want to do is go ahead and transfer money out. Now there are a couple caveats as far as why you might not be able to withdraw all your money, and I'm going to show you exactly that. So I actually showed in a previous video of me selling a stock and that it can take a couple of days to go through. So even though I have money in the account, I actually don't have the ability to go through and actually withdraw that money right away. But I still want to show you how to do this. So on the bottom side of this phone, you're going to see a few options that say home, bank, transfer, invest, and auto stash. So we want to go ahead and click on the transfer button right in the center. So what we want to do is, you can see at the very top where it says from, that's where we want to pull the money from, which is going to be the personal portfolio over here. And then it says to, and then it has just the Wells Fargo option now. So if we click on that, we're going to see that it has the option from, and then to, and then how much we actually want to go through and transfer. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any money currently available because I sold some stock and it takes a little bit of time to be able to become available for me. So just something to keep in mind. Even if you have a balance, it might not actually showcase how much you have available to transfer until after everything is cleared. But once you do have everything cleared, you just type in the amount that you want. It's not actually letting me put in $1, but you click on that, you hit done, and then you'll just hit the continue button, and then there is that confirmation. Once you hit confirmation, it'll go through. Now it does take a couple business days to be able to go back into your regular bank account, so just keep that in mind. Now if you do want to learn how to purchase a stock on Stash, check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.